Pomeranians may be small, but their territorial energy is massive.
Suelta mi palito. Suéltalo, suéltalo, suéltalo que yo lo vi primero. Suéltalo. Suéltalo, perro. Suéltalo, perro. Suéltalo, perro. Suéltalo, suéltalo que es mío. Yo lo vi primero. Suéltalo. Es mío. Mío, mío, mío. Fue a esto.
This dog may look tough, but tiny moving objects instantly turn them into curious babies.
They always said you should think twice.
What? Stay. Stay.
Norse.
Oh, I feel like this is messed up.
Good girl.
She entered the bed like a truck backing into a loading dock. Patty doesn't hide the evidence. He just relaxes next to it.
What do you have? Come here. Come here. Leave it. Wilbur. Wilbur. Come. Come. Good boy. Come here. Come.
Yeah, Ruby! Ruby!
Internal system reboot in progress. Her excitement, confusion, and zoomies all collide at once. Let it happen energy in its purest form. Too old for drama, too tired for resistance.
Ma scusami, ti sembra una cosa da fare? Io dico di no! Santo che l'ho visto!
Sheba treats every slipper like a limited edition prize be like.
Você quer papar também? Não é isso? A mãe tá almoçando e você quer também?
Nossa, curva!
Wow.
Wheaten Terriers somehow always find the exact spot humans need to work on.
You're all right in your head.
Gracie, what's wrong? You can come down. You can come down.
Bro saw a human doing pottery and immediately thought, I could improve this design.
Who she wants to bring in the house?
No!
Who needs a grooming salon when you've got street engineering?
Got it.
Did you know Goldens have got two moods, angelic and accidentally trapped in furniture? Nature provided the equipment. German Shepherd provided the creativity. A wilderness float is invented. Pop saw one obstacle and immediately recruited the pig for assistance.
This is what happens when you're a bad boy. You get time out. Nope, stay there. Garfield. Thank you. See your brother? Lucius is listening. You get time out for another 5 minutes. Got it?
Parkour! Michael, parkour! Parkour! Extreme!
Oh, Lord have mercy. Today drained me.
Akitas often freeze in unusual positions when they're intensely focused on something.
Did you chew up this pillow? Huh?
Big brain energy from the cutest little chonk. He calculated the physics and found a loophole. Sometimes even the smartest dogs forget obstacles exist when a ball's involved.
Assim, assim. E vai.
We're in Alabama.
I said I was gonna tell on y'all. I'm gonna tell y'all dad. Stop barking at me. Have a good day, y'all. Be safe and put your seatbelt on. All right. Yo, they so scared. They laugh.
Puppy just discovered heavy machinery and decided it's the meaning of life.
That time baby Doobie underestimated the puddle. Yeah, he can swim.
Calculated blanket assisted engineering. He just unlocked blanket using intelligence mode. That stare says, "You saw that, right? You saw the disrespect, right?"
¿Quieres algo del cajón? A ver, abre el cajón. Abre, Peque, abre. ¿Qué quiere, las galletas?
DIY bedmaker on duty. He didn't destroy hay, he improved it.